Hello you lot. Well, Christ or bloody Marty, I've seen it all. Yes, I've just seen an article about a young girl who drinks bloody petrol every day. Yes, actually she drinks 12 teaspoons of petrol a day. Now, how bloody stupid can you get? I mean, if it was nice, but she says that it puts her in pain when she drinks it, but she just can't get enough. Christ, there's people bloody dying of disease every day and you're putting bloody petrol in yourself. Christ, I hope you're getting a good few miles to the gallon, love. Some people are bloody daft, aren't they? Anyway, if you want to see the article I'm on about, the link is below, go check it out. And don't forget, please thumbs up and subscribe. Cheerio!